So it's a really exciting and encouraging first news from the first efficacy trial that has reported data on the SARS-CoV-2 vaccine. And as she also said, this is encouraging news for this vaccine technology, because we haven't had a licensed vaccine that is based on RNA technology. But we have to also acknowledge that the results are still somewhat preliminary. And, I don't want to put a spoiler alert on this, but we need to know how long the protection will last. And at the moment, we're looking at data from 28 days of the follow-up after the volunteers had received their first 2 injections. I think it's very significant because it will allow us to generate new vaccines at great speed. And, the fact that the genomics or the genomic information of the virus was so quickly available really positioned people to get on with this kind of vaccine design. And there are 2 of this vaccine design RNA vaccines already in phase 3 trials, one being the Pfizer BNT vaccine, the other one being the Moderna vaccine, with others to follow. There are 33 candidates relying on these RNA constructs that I'm aware of at the moment, although few have only come through to the last stages of trials. But this is really exciting, and we just need to now also give the regulators a chance to look at the dossiers that are going to be provided to, for example, the FDA or the EMA, to understand whether all the conditions are fulfilled. And there needs to be a certain follow-up period as well before even an emergency licensure can be granted.
Well, it's very exciting, and particularly I think there's still some regulatory hurdles to get over, particularly looking at who was in these trials and the kind of age and whether the efficacy is true for everyone on the trials. But it's very exciting news.